question is in topic 4.9, oxidation, reduction, redox reactions. How are you? How are you doing in the study? Let's see this question. What is the oxidation state of chromium in CrH2O63 plus? Okay, and what do you want exactly? I want only the chromium in here. That looks weird, but let's try. So let's try to break this down. The water is a neutral ligand. A ligand is something which is attached to another metal in the middle. So the chromium is a metal, and the ligand is made from attaching these to 6 water molecules. So don't worry about this ligand thing. Just know that every one of these water is equivalent to 0. The oxidation number of the any compound is equal to 0. So all of this is equal to 0. This makes this a little bit bigger. So this part, all of it is equal to 0. The 0 multiplied by 6 is equal to 0. If the chromium plus this 0 is equal to plus 3, so what is chromium? Chromium is equal to plus 3, so this is the correct answer.